Birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers. They have wings to fly. They have a beak to eat with. They have 2 legs to walk. They lay eggs. The hen lays eggs. We eat these eggs. The crow is a clever bird. The pigeon is the symbol of peace. The duck can swim in water. The swan also can swim in water. The peacock is our national bird. The parrot is a pet bird. It mimics our voice. The sparrow is a small bird. It eats seeds and insects. The eagle flies very high and very fast. These birds cannot fly at all. Ostrich, penguin, kiwi. Birds build nests.